For pieces that'll be sewed onto another, or for a piece where the edge will be seen, you can use a technique called the invisible fasten off. This technique makes the edge look smooth. Let's learn how to do an invisible fasten off step by step. Step 1. Finish the last stitch and cut the yarn so that the yarn tail is at least 6 inches longer than the circumference of the rim of the piece. Step 2. Pull the hook away from the piece until there's no loop left on the hook. Step 3. Thread a needle with the yarn tail. Step 4. Skip the next stitch. Insert the needle under the top loops of the stitch after that, from the outside to the inside of the piece. Step 5. Before pulling it tight, insert the needle under the back loop of the stitch the yarn tail came out from. Step 6. Pull the yarn tail tight enough so that it's same size as the other stitches along the rim. Now you can see the edge looks smoother than before. This is an invisible fasten off.